it's reading at a 46.7, which is different than what the gauge says. So
Interesting.
We can pump up. We're going to go up to about 55. We don't want any issues going home. The new Hercules tire, newer Hercules tires. So. All right, so we got 58. Go down here. There we go. Then press play. We'll run off the battery pack. It also has the feature over here where you can run the from the car. There's an older example where you can plug it into an outlet as well.
Oh, nice.
And you also have a small flashlight. This is practically worthless.
But it's there.
Flash. Oh, the vacuum is very effective.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, so we'll wait till it goes in and
Yeah.
go from there.
Very nice. That's a cool feature. And it's definitely nice to have on hand for a quick fix. So
I'm
they like that.
The highest, the best Craftsman impact they have. They're running all that together, and then you have the DeWalt. So I have all the same batteries for that sort of thing.
Oh, there you go.
Going a little bit.
Tire number 2. So let's see
This
what.
one is showed in lap 35 on here.
That's what I get. Oh yeah, that's kind
There
of.
might be a screw in this one, so we're going to go up to 55. Oh, hey, I forgot it was already set.
Oh yeah, so it's already set to what you want there. It will take care of it by itself. Sweet.
$80.
How much was that again?
$80.
That's nice. That's nice.
The Harbor Freight ones where you have to run the 12-volt connection are, 55, 60 bucks.
Yeah.
This way you just you've got 2 different power sources for it. I've got the big 4 battery, I think, whatever it is.
Right.
So that seems to be doing just fine.
That works.
And it's nice to have in the truck for well, you don't really need it for mower tires per se, but trailer tires.
As we have the nice run flat wheels that never run flat, so I mean that works beautiful. Awesome.
Cool.
Alright.